Hello guys, in this video we will see the solution of cloud computing week 1 assignment 1. The last date for this assignment is 2nd Feb. So the first question is, which one of the following statement least aligned with the NIST defined essential characteristics of the cloud computing? So let's see, all the characteristics of NIST are these are the following. So the one that is not present is option C, guaranteed zero downtime for all the services. So correct option for one is C. The second question, Google Docs is the best example of C, software as a service. Google Docs is the best example of software as a service. Third question, which of the following is a public cloud platform is typically commercial cloud computing? First, let's see the explanation of this question. So a public cloud platform is a service offered by a third-party provider over the public internet, making resources like server and storage available to anyone who wants to use or purchase them. So Google Cloud Platform GCP is a prime example of commercial public cloud provider. So the correct answer for this question is third question is B. Now move to the fourth question. For fourth question, the correct option is B. B. So the correct option for fourth is B. Now move to the fifth question. A distributed system is typically preferred when the task is both data intensive and computing intensive. So correct option is C, 1 and 2. We will also verify the answer. Like why distributed computing? So the distributed computing thing is data intensive and computing intensive. Now move to the sixth question. The combination of service-oriented infrastructure and cloud computing led to a paradigm that we called XaaS. Option C is correct for question number 6. Now verify the question and answer. So combination of service-oriented infrastructure and cloud computing relies to XaaS. So correct answer is XaaS. Seventh question, platform as a service brings several benefit to application developer. Which of the following statement about PaaS are correct? So the correct statement are 1, 2 and 4th. Third one is not correct because in platform as a service, root level access is not provided to the user. So the correct option is A. Now move to the eighth question. In the context of virtualization, which statement best distinguishes a type 1 bare metal hypervisor from a type 2 hypervisor? The correct answer for this question is B. Type 1 typically give lower virtualization overhead because it runs directly on hardware. Now move to the ninth question. Which of the following is a valid example of platform as a service? So as we discussed previously, platform as a service provide the database resources and all. Correct answer for this question is B. Manage relational database instance with automatic backup and scaling. So the correct answer for ninth question is B. Now move to the final question, last question. So the answer of this question is B, cluster, and we will verify with the question. Like this is the key component of a cluster include multiple standalone computer working together. So the correct answer for 10th question is B, cluster. Submitted. Yeah, thanks for watching.